Wondering how to maintain consistent humidity in your warehouse or clean rooms? The answer lies in well-structured humidity mapping plan. So let's break it down step by step. First, let's start with what is humidity mapping. Humidity mapping is the process of measuring and recording humidity levels at various points within a space over time to ensure uniform conditions and compliance. Now, let's understand why you need it. Industries like pharma, food, and electronics requires humidity mapping to validate HVAC performance, comply with FDA or GMP regulations, and prevent product damages. Now, let's understand how you can do it. Let's start with to create a mapping plan. First, define the mapping area and zones. Second, place data loggers or sensor at strategic points like high-low corners near doors. And third, record data for minimum of 7 to 14 days. And fourth is analyze hotspots, fluctuations, and trends. And fifth point that you need to consider is adjust your HVAC system or insulation if needed. Now, let's go through some documentation part. Always generate a mapping report with graphs, sensor details, calibration certifications, and corrective actions to be taken. A good mapping plan ensures compliance and quality. It's small effort that prevents a big losses. So, if you like this video, thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.